Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from the Sweetcoin wallet. So you are now in your Sweet wallet and you would like to withdraw something. So what you can do is actually click on your portfolio and here you can see your total balance. Here you can see that I have 0 cents, which is not that impressive. So you can see here I have again 0 cents in Sweet. So actually you can convert this into real money by buying some other cryptocurrency. For example, you could buy USDT. USDT is a very popular cryptocurrency, and then you can see Coinbase, you can see some other crypto websites then actually sell that cryptocurrency for real money. That is possible. So what you would need to do is actually transfer and then click on request. So you would actually this is a request from someone else, but you would basically need to exchange your Sweet coins into USDT in this case. I won't be able to do this, but you would be able to transfer that to USDT exchange to USDT, and then on certain websites on your USDT wallet you can then exchange that for actual and real money. And that's how you can withdraw money from Sweet wallet. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.